Hey guys, welcome back to another Buddy's Bus. Today, I'm gonna cut this post down with 4x4 with Bauer 20-volt lithium reciprocating saw. Another one of my Bauer rechargeables I've been pissing around with. So far, Bauer's been pretty good. I like their drills. I did the other video on the circular saw, which we cut another 4x4 with, and I like it. I put the chainsaw together. That's on another video. I also have the pole saw that I'll show when I use that thing. Have the weed eater. Make another video on it. Whatever. But hey, this is the reciprocating saw. 20-volt lithium. I got a 3 amp hour battery in it because my other 5 amp hour just died. Actually, it feels pretty solid. Has a nice rubber grip. Has a locking thing here, so you can't pull the trigger if you don't. But hey, I mean, this thing is so far it's decent. I like it because, of course, no cord. It weighs about the same as my DeWalt corded one. So, difference in weight, not much. Ease of changing blades, real easy. Pull this little trigger right here, up, pull the blade out. That's all. So, yeah, I want it in upside down because, so we're gonna cut that off. So, all right, let's, enough bullshitting. Let's cut this. Takes, just like any other electric thing here, when you pull the trigger, it takes a second of hesitation. Watch. That's it. That's the only bad thing about anything, but get used to that real quick. All right, let's drop this thing down. See how it does. By the way, I'm using a Bauer blade on it too. Came in the kit. This is a wooden nail bit, good for chopping up just about anything. So I like this thing too because you can get into a lot of tight places with this. Okay, I'm under this board actually cutting this. As they say, there's that. Here you go, guys. Bauer. Can't say enough good things about them. I like my Bauer stuff. Alright, let me get some more stuff done on this deck. I might make another video on something. Don't know. But that's the Bauer. Works great. Cuts good. No issues with it whatsoever. Oh, and Buddy, man, he's doing what he does best. Right. All right, guys. Have a good one. Thanks for watching Buddy's Bus. See ya.